there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect summer hammock? I've got something for you. There are so many wonderful things to say about this hammock. I love how soft it is. I love how well it's made. It was so easy to put together. I did it by myself in a matter of minutes. It comes all wrapped in the box, and then all you do is simply click the pieces together and you've got yourself a hammock and you're ready to lay. I gotta tell you, I have been planning to make this video for a while, but I kept relaxing in my hammock and just putting it off. So there's that also. It's extremely comfortable. I love how durable the ropes are. This thing is not going to break. I'm kind of a heavy girl, and I've been laying on it with my kids even, and it shows no signs of breaking. Even my husband was laying in it the other day, and he's even a little bit heavier than I am, and he loves it too. It's actually become a thing that the rest of the family fights over, so that's fun. So you can have this thing on your front porch. You can have it in your backyard. Because of the stand, it will go anywhere you want it to be. It is absolutely wonderful. So this hammock has been everything that I wanted it to be. I love how soft it is and how nice it is to relax in, but that's just my point of view.